Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for your interest in our Sidem Steering and Suspension products. My name is Harold and I have more than 15 years of experience as a mechanic. Today, I will talk about the track control arm in the Renault Megane and the Dacia Logan. The track control arm mounted in these car models has a press-in ball joint. It is a common issue that when this ball joint is replaced, the material of the track control arm gets stretched after a ball joint has repeatedly been pushed in and out. Sidem has developed a unique and patented solution that provides an answer to this problem. It's the re-engineered ball joint for Renault and Dacia, which guarantees maximum fixation. This ball joint is designed so that part fixates itself when pressed into the track control arm. Now let's go through the steps for replacing the parts on the Dacia Logan. Lift the car until the wheels are completely off the ground and remove the wheel. Take the right tool and loosen the tie rod end. Then also loosen the stabilizer link. This should also be done with the stabilizer link on the other side. When turning the steering knuckle, we see the clamp bolt of the track control arm. Now we remove the clamp bolt. If necessary, use tools such as a hammer and chisel to enlarge the opening so that the ball joint pin can be easily removed. Pull the track control arm out of the steering knuckle. Then also remove the inner bolts of the track control arm. As soon as the track control arm has been removed from the car, the ball joint can be replaced. Here we see how easily the re-engineered ball joint can be pressed into the track control arm. To install the track control arm back onto the car, we follow all the previously mentioned steps in reverse order. First, the inner bolts are put in the silent blocks of the track control arm. We tighten the nuts hand tight in order to prevent preload. We press the cylindrical pin into the steering knuckle and do not forget to put the plastic ring on there. Never use a hammer for this. Now we install the clamp bolt. Tighten the clamp bolt according to the indicated torque. Next, the stabilizer links are mounted. Then we continue with the installation of the tie rod end. Use the right tools such as the ratchet wrench to avoid damaging the dust cover, and always use new nuts. Mount the wheel and lower the car until the wheels rest on the bridge. Only fully tighten the inner bolts of the track control arm according to the specified torque when the car is back on its wheels. Finally, carry out the wheel alignment. Now the track control arm with Sidem's re-engineered ball joint is correctly installed. For more information on the re-engineered ball joint for Renault and Dacia, visit the Sidem website www.sidem.eu. Thanks for watching and see you next time.